In this video, I'm going to show you how to flavor your olive oil. A lot of people ask me what is in the green bottle, and I'm going to show you right here. I use this when I am sauteing vegetables, making any kind of pasta dish, also breakfast foods like eggs Benedict or the shrimp and grits. So all you need is a glass cork bottle, and you need some fresh thyme, and you need some fresh rosemary. You also need black ground pepper and olive oil. So as you can see here, it's very simple. The very first thing that you want to do is take the thyme, and you want to take about a handful of that, and you want to push that into the glass cork bottle. I say a glass cork bottle because, as you can see, there is a cork that you put on top. This is going to keep it fresh. I do not suggest that you do this with a mason jar. You do strictly want to have a glass bottle. So after you get all of the thyme leaves into the bottle, what you are going to do is grab a funnel. I got my package of funnels from IKEA. You do want to grab the smallest one, and you are going to take 1 teaspoon of the ground black pepper, and you are going to put it through the funnel. You want to make sure you do the ground black pepper first, because if you do the oil first, the pepper will stick to it. After you get the pepper into the bottle, you are going to take your choice of olive oil, and you are going to fill the glass bottle with the olive oil. After that, you are going to put the cork back on. You're going to store it in a dark place, and this will be good up until 3 months. You know when it is time to change the rosemary and the thyme when you begin to use the oil, and if the leaves fall out and they are dark and they are hard, it is time for you to change the leaves for the rosemary and the thyme. I myself cook a lot. Of course, you guys know I am a certified chef. So if you want this oil to last longer, you would basically heat this oil up with the same rosemary, thyme, and black pepper. Just warm it up, cool it down, put it in another glass bottle, and then put it in the refrigerator. That is going to be able to be stored up until 6 months. So after you put the pepper and the thyme in the jar, you are going to take 1 stick of rosemary, and you are going to put that in the bottle, put the cork on, and this is what you've just made. You just created yourself some flavored oil. So the rosemary is optional. As you can see, I added that at the end for my preference, sauteing a lot of vegetables and making a lot of Italian as well as Hawaiian food. I prefer to have a stick of rosemary in the oil. And another thing you can use this for is soups. So I am showing you how to make these oils, because if you decide to make any of the food on my channel, it is my personal recipes. So I want you to have the full experience. Click the link below. We are going to make the sage infused oil.